What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll be showing you or will be discussing to you how to transfer and send USDC from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly send or transfer USDC from your Phantom Wallet to Binance? Well, this one's pretty easy. So first things first is you want to get the address for your Binance account. So at the top right here, you want to go and click on your wallet and choose spot. And from here, click on the option here that says deposit at the top right. Now choose deposit crypto. Now from here, we want to go and choose our coin here. Since we want to send USDC, just type in USDC in the search bar and just choose USDC here. Now you want to choose your network. Now there are going to be a lot of networks here that you could choose. So you have BSC, ETH, and Solana, and a lot more. So in my case, I want to use one that I really like. So in my case, maybe I want to use Solana here. Just make sure that you are actually, or you remember which network you use here, because using the incorrect network can result of your crypto being lost. So again, your network and the coin that you're sending should match. So let's go and choose Solana here. Now from here, you want to go and just click on the copy button, and you want to head over into your Phantom wallet, open it up, and you want to go and click on send, and you want to search for USDC here. Just type in USDC, and you want to choose USDC here that has the appropriate signal. The symbol for it. As you can see, this is USDC that has the Solana network using on it. So make sure you're using the correct network here. That's really important. Let's go and select this one since it uses the Solana network. Now from here, just provide the address and the amount and make sure the address is correct here. Once you've done that, just click on next and confirm the transaction on the next page and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.